you're watching UTC News. I'm Prachi. The controversy of Maharaja Sayaji Rao University last few days. So here we are in university. So we are talking some students what they are demanding and the whole matter. So we are in the university and talk people what their demands. Say about the whole controversy happening Maharaja Sayaji Rao University.
देखो ये बच्चों की लड़ाई है और बच्चों की लड़ाई में अब पूरा बड़ौदा आ गया है, क्योंकि बच्चे के फ्यूचर के साथ जो भी खेलेगा उसको बड़ौदा माफ़ नहीं करेगा। और ये वीसी ने बहुत मनमानी कर ली है। अब उसकी मनमानी नहीं चलेगी, या तो वीसी रहेगा या तो बड़ौदा रहेगा। सब लड़कों को एडमिशन मिलना चाहिए और वीसी की मनमानी जो भी है वो नहीं चलनी चाहिए।
Also the student demands to remove vice chancellor. So what do you want to say about this?
Pardon?
They also demand to remove vice chancellor. So what do you want to say about this?
उनको भी हटाना है, क्योंकि वो बंदा यहाँ काम का नहीं है, ये बड़ौदा के हित की बात करने वाला नहीं है। ये भी हटने चाहिए और हटने के लिए हमें जो भी करना है हम करेंगे।
So what was the next demand of students to about the remove vice chancellor or any next expectation from university?
See, this is demand for the demand of the common people, university people, staff people and student. They all are wants to VC. ये VC नहीं चाहिए. Remove the VC.
So what do you want to say about this whole matter?
The thing is, when our late His Highness Sayaji Rao Gaikwad started this university, the basic thing in his mind was that in my state, my students should not go outside of Vadodara state and they should get proper education, free education and cheap सस्ता जिसे बोलते हैं। तो अभी क्या हुआ कि ये जो कॉमन यूनिवर्सिटी एक्ट जो किया है तो वडोदरा के लड़के को बाहर पढ़ने जाना पड़ेगा। तो देन it costs hell of a lot, and the common person, middle class family or low middle class family cannot afford. It costs nearly about 4 to 5 lakhs rupees per year. So how can I tolerate? No, nonsense.
The students also demanding to remove vice chancellor. So what do you want to say about that?
That is not my cup of tea. My contention is the government should make a amendment in this way that Vadodara students need not go outside. Provided if they have got sufficient qualifications, why should they go out? When Sayaji Rao Gaikwad thought it is in the constitution that my students should come here only, that study here.
So what is the student next demand? So they want from university?
Our demand is that Barodians, Baroda ke jo students hai, the students of Vadodara should be included in SMS University. First preference should be given to Barodians and then outsiders.
This whole matter happened in Maharaja Sayaji Rao University last few days.
See, Vadodara was one of its kind, MS University was one of its kind, where it was the first of its kind of a residential university, and students who are in 3 kilometers radius of Vadodara city, everyone was entitled to get an admission in Vadodara. But slowly as private universities developed, I think they are in nexus with government and in some kind of corruption. They have now made MS University common. There was a lot of opposition from local citizens here, but still they took away MS University, and now they are not giving admissions to all the students who live in 3 kilometers. As a result, they will have to go and take education in private colleges, spend lakhs of rupees on it, and probably many students won't be able to afford this, and they will stop going to colleges and their education will end at undergrad level. I think this is not done, and we are demanding that every student who lives in 3 kilometers periphery of Vadodara city should be accommodated in MS University. In past, seats used to be added and reduced accordingly, and this year also that should happen, and MS Universities should cater to all the students in Vadodara city and district, and forcing students to go to private college by reducing seats in MSU is directly favoring those private colleges. This is not done.
Students are also demanding to remove vice chancellor. So what do you want to say about this? They want to remove vice chancellor. So
it seems that vice chancellor is a puppet in hands of politicians here. Yesterday he went out of way to meet the elected representatives of Bharatiya Janata Party, and he should have preserved dignity of MS University and He should have taken decisions independently as a vice chancellor of the university, but it seems apparently that he is a puppet in hands of politicians.
So what was their next demands? Students want to justice about this whole matter. So you want to say something about it? They want justice?
Yes, we want justice. We are here for justice. We want to ensure that all the students of Vadodara district get admissions in MS University, and the vice chancellor is a independent. It's a very dignified post. You can just not have puppets in name of vice chancellors.